Do us just slide it in first when we got time. All right, here we go.
All right, I'm gonna be right behind you.
All right. Probably should kneel down. Y'all should kneel down or something to reduce the chance of getting hit by something.
I'm behind you.
Sounds good.
Oh boy. That was big. That. Oh. Yeah.
That was pretty loud.
You still filming, Cole?
Yeah, that's bigger than the car. Hold on, let me talk to the microwave.
Yeah, let's go see where that microwave went. Sorry about that, Nana. Oh, there's a piece of it right there. There's your button.
Oh,
This is the microwave that I cooked chicken nuggets in for a while. Hey, there's still gas.
That's got a shit still in it.
Look at this microwave.
Dude, it looks like we're in hell. We got a car on fire.
Hey, that gasoline's about to go.
What gasoline?
Hold on, let me talk to the microwave.
Yeah, let's go see where that microwave went. Sorry about that, Nana. Oh, there's a piece of it right there. There's your button.
This is the microwave.
Yeah.
Chicken nuggets in for a while. Hey, there's still gas.
That's got a shit still in it.
Look at this microwave.
Dude, it looks like we're in hell. We got a car on
Hey,
fire.
that gasoline's about to go.
What gasoline?
Oh, it's still open.
That bottle, that's a full bottle.
Where?
It's laying there on fire. Hey, shoot it.
Not next to a propane tank, I'm not shooting. Anyway. That's the microwave.
There went the center block.